away they go. And Soldad about 3/4 lengths slow. One of the first to show out, Jackster's Ballet, running to the lead early. Up there is Joyeux out deep. Peninsula Dane's pushing on. Canonizer's out in that bunch of horses near the lead as well, and Meritorious on the rails. Now as they settle fully, Jackster's Ballet being joined on the outside by Joyeux, and Soldad has moved up 3/4 length third. One further back over on the inside, Meritorious as they run that first turn. Canonizer's deep out, 3 wide there with Peninsula Dane in the middle. Behind them is That's the One, and then Moulin Rouge, and at the end of the field a little bit of luck. So it's been a fairly dawdling run race through the first half, and Joyeux on top. Out by about a length to so, we're moving up Soldad into second placing. Canonizer's been deep in the red sleeves, and Cap gets to third out wider. Jackster's Ballet ridden along near the inside, and then Peninsula Dane and Meritorious at an awkward place on the fence as they go to the 300 metres, and Joyeux the leader. Will she run the trip? At the moment she's a length and a half in front, just getting off the track a bit. Soldad switches to her inside. Canonized winding up. Peninsula Dane coming along the rail, and here's That's the One, and it's Taboo starting to really finish off. That's the One. It's the one, all right. Look at it go. It bounds away, and That's the One. An upset victory by 2 or 3 lengths, drawing away from Joyeux and Soldad. Canonized ran fourth, and then Peninsula Dane and a long break in the field, Moulin Rouge, trailed in by Meritorious.